pair of linear equations in two variables.
Hi everyone, today we are going to deal with equations which can be reducible to a pair of linear equations. That means that the given equation will not be in the form of a linear equation, but we have to reduce it, we have to convert that given equations to linear equations. So here the given question is 2 by x plus 3 by y equals 13. 5 by x minus 4 by y equals minus 2. So the question is not in the linear form, but it is in the form 1 by x, 1 by y form. So first we are going to convert, or we are going to reduce this to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now actually what is this 2 by x? 2 by x actually means 2 into 1 by x. Similarly 3 by y is 3 into 1 by y. 5 by x is 5 into 1 by x. And 4 by y is 4 into 1 by y. So now we are going to change this 1 by x and 1 by y to a linear, that is this together we are going to change this as a linear equation. So now we have 2 into 1 by x. So we are going to substitute for 1 by x. So 1 by x is given as u and 1 by y is given as v. So wherever we have 1 by x, we have to give u, and wherever we have 1 by y, we have to give v. And when we substitute this u and v in the place of 1 by x and 1 by y, this equations will be converted to linear equations. Now after giving 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v, our equations are now turned to 2u plus 3v equals 13 and 5u minus 4v equals minus 2. Again it is converted to linear equations in two variables u and v. So you have studied three different methods for solving pair of linear equations in two variables, that is substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. So you can use any one of the three methods and solve these equations 1 and 2 to get the variables u and v. So here I am going to use elimination method. You can use either elimination method or the other two methods, substitution method or cross multiplication method. So here I am using elimination method. So elimination method, what we have to do, I am going to eliminate this first term, that is u. So the coefficient, with the coefficient of u in the second equation, that is 5, I am multiplying equation number 1, and with the coefficient of u from the first equation, that is 2, I am multiplying equation number 2. So we are using elimination method. So with 5 equation number 1 is multiplied, and with 2 equation number 2 is multiplied. So after multiplying we will get 10u plus 15v equals 65 and 10u minus 8v equals minus 4. Now here we have the coefficients of u the same. So what we can do, we have to change the sign and add. So this will become minus, then plus, and here plus. So first term, that is 10u minus u, it will be cancelled, and here what will be remaining, 15v plus 8v, that is 23v, and 65 plus 4, 69. So 23v is equal to 69. From there what is v? V is equal to 69 by 23, and we got the value of v as 3. Now we can substitute this v is equal to 3 in either equation number 1 or in equation number 2 to get the value of u. So I am substituting the value of v in equation number 1. So this becomes 2u plus 3v. V is 3. So 3 into 3 equals 13. So 2u plus 9 equal to 13. 9 going to the other side. 2u equals 13 minus 9, that is 4. From there u is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Now we got u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3. But here this is not over. Our question was to solve for x and y, because our question was given in x and y. So don't stop here. after finding the value of u and v, you have to find the value of x and y. And what was u? What we have taken u as and v as in the beginning? We have taken u as 1 by x and v as 1 by y. So we have to apply that and find the values of x and y. So 1 by x was we have taken 1 by x as u. So 1 by x is equal to u, and that u we got as 2. That means that 1 by x equals 2. 1 by x equals 2. If 1 by x equals 2, what will be x? X will be 1 by 2. In the same way, 1 by y is y, and y we got as 1 by y is v, and v we got as 3. So 1 by y equals 3. From there y equals 1 by 3. So finally we got x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So students are making sometimes they may make mistake, that is they will do up to this and finalize the answer, then it will be wrong. Not wrong, it is not complete, you won't get the full mark. You have to find the value of x and y, then only you will get the full mark. The next question is again solve for x and y. So here the question is 6x plus 3y equals 6xy and 2x plus 4y equals 5xy. So when we look at this, first you may make mistake by looking and making or thinking this as a linear equation two variable, but it is not, because on the RHS you can see that it is the product x and y. So don't confuse it. This is not the linear equation. This is not an equation in the linear form, but you have to convert this to linear form. For making this to the linear form, we have to take this xy down to the denominator and this xy also down to the denominator. So now we got 6x plus 3y the whole divided by xy equals 6. 2x plus 4y the whole divided by xy equals 5. So what we have done here, we have brought this xy to the under 6x plus 3y, and from here xy is brought under 2x plus 4y. Now we have to split the numerator and write this fractions separately. Now after splitting the numerator, we will be getting this separately as 6x by xy plus 3y by xy equals 6. 2x by xy plus 4y by xy equals 5. Now we can cancel this x from these two and y from these two. From here also can cancel x and cancel y. So now when we cancel this x and x here, you will get 6 by y. That is 6 by y plus 3 by x equals 6 and 2 by y plus 4 by x equals 5. Now this is like the question we have discussed before. Now here we can put 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v and proceed like the previous question. So this I am not doing because up to this only you are not knowing. After this you can proceed like the previous question and you can solve for x and y. The next type is 10 by this, solve for x and y. 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equals 4. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equals minus 2. We can proceed like the previous question, not previous, before that. So that was the denominator it was x and y. So in the place of x now we have x plus y, and that is the place of y we have x minus y. So there we put 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. So instead of that, here we have 1 by x plus y as u and 1 by x minus y as v. Because 10 by x plus y actually means 10 into 1 by x plus y. 2 by x minus y actually means 2 into 1 by x minus y. So we can rewrite the question has 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 into 1 by x minus y equals 4. Then 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y equals minus 2. And then we can put 1 by x plus y as u and 1 by x minus y as v. Now after putting 1 by x plus y as u and 1 by x minus y as v, we have 10u plus 2v equals 4 and 15u minus 5v equals minus 2. Now you can solve this using elimination method. So that is multiply equation number 1 with 15 and equation number 2 with 10. Or you can multiply equation number 1 with minus 5 and equation number 2 with 2. So that we can eliminate v. So we are multiplying equation number 1 with 5 and equation number 2 with 2. So you got 50u plus 10v equals 20 and 30u minus 10v equals minus 4. Now usually we are changing the sign and adding, but here you can see that the coefficients of v, one is plus 10, the other is minus 10. So there is no need of changing the sign. Here directly we can add these two equations so that our v terms will be cancelled. So it is cancelled, and when we add this 50 plus 30 80u equal to 20 plus minus 4, that is 16. So 80u equals 16, u equal to 16 by 18, and that is equal to 1 by 5. Now with the help of any one of the equations, we can find the value of v. So I have taken the first equation, that is 10u plus 2v equals 4. In the place of u, we can substitute 1 by 5. So you will get 10 into 1 by 5. 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2v equals 4. That is 5 and 10 cancels. You will get 2 plus 2v equals 4. And we can take 2 to the other side. And you will get 2v equals 2. So 2v equals to, v is equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. Now we got u equal to 1 by 5 and v equal to 1. Now it's not over. We are asked to solve for x and y. So we can do that next. So here after getting u and v, we can take like this. 1 by x plus y. We have already taken in the beginning 1 by x plus y as u. So 1 by x plus y equals u, and u we got as 1 by 5. That means 1 by x plus y equals 1 by 5. From there what will be x plus y? X plus y will be equal to 5. Put that as equation number 3. Similarly 1 by x minus y we have taken as v, and v we got as 1. So that implies x minus y is equal to 1. Put that as equation number 4. Now again we can apply the elimination method for equations 3 and 4 and solve for x and y. Here also you can see that y term one is plus, the other is minus. So there is no need of changing the sign and adding. Directly we can add and find. So while you are solving, we will get 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. 2x equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2, we got 3. Now substitute either in equation number 3 or 4 and get the value of y. Now we have 3 plus y is equal to 5. From there y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now we got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 as our solution. So this is the method of reducing the equations to linear equations and then solving. Thank you.